Come on in, let's get to work. Homeowner Unlocked. We got the know-how, you've got the spark.
Welcome to Homeowner Unlocked. Today we're going to break down how a modern smart sprinkler system actually works, from the controller in your garage to the valves underground, all the way to the sprinkler heads in your yard. We'll also take a look at how smart irrigation systems can automatically adjust watering schedules based on weather conditions, helping save water while keeping your lawn healthy. Most irrigation systems divide the yard into separate watering zones. Each zone is designed to water a specific area based on plant type, sun exposure, slope, and watering needs. The controller acts as the brain of the irrigation system. It sends low voltage signals to individual sprinkler valves, telling each watering zone when to turn on and off. Not all sprinkler heads work the same way. Spray heads, rotary sprinklers, impact sprinklers, and drip systems all serve different purposes depending on the landscape. When the irrigation system is idle, all of the sprinkler valves remain closed. Even though water pressure is available at the manifold, no water can flow to the sprinkler heads until the controller activates a specific zone. When it's time to water, the controller sends a low voltage 24-volt signal to a specific zone wire. That electrical signal travels underground to the matching sprinkler valve. Once the valve receives power, the solenoid activates and opens the valve internally. This allows water to begin flowing into that zone's irrigation pipes. Pressurized water now flows through the underground piping system and out toward the sprinkler heads assigned to that zone. As water reaches the sprinkler heads, they rise and begin distributing water evenly across the lawn or landscaping area. Once the watering cycle is complete, power is removed from the valve. The solenoid closes and water flow stops until the next scheduled run. This underground valve box is where the irrigation system distributes water to each individual zone. Inside the box are multiple electrically controlled valves connected to the controller in the garage. Each valve controls a different section of your yard. The manifold acts like a traffic controller for water flow. Water enters the manifold under pressure, but each valve only opens when the controller sends power to that specific zone. Each colored wire connects to a separate irrigation zone. The controller sends low voltage power through these wires to activate specific valves throughout the yard. Most irrigation systems use a shared common wire connected to every valve. The controller completes the electrical circuit by energizing one zone wire at a time. One of the biggest advantages of a smart irrigation controller is automatic weather adjustment. Systems like Rachio can delay watering during rain, freezing temperatures, or high wind conditions. You can also manually run individual zones directly from the app. This is especially useful for testing sprinkler coverage or troubleshooting irrigation problems. Running zones manually is one of the best ways to check sprinkler coverage, identify dry spots, and make sure each area of the yard is being watered properly. If a zone isn't working correctly, common issues can include clogged sprinkler heads, leaking valves, damaged wiring, or low water pressure. One of the biggest advantages of a smart irrigation controller is automatic weather adjustment. Systems like Rachio can pause watering during rain, freezing temperatures, or changing seasonal conditions. Smart irrigation systems help reduce water waste, simplify lawn maintenance, and give homeowners greater control over their landscaping from anywhere. Understanding how your sprinkler system works makes troubleshooting easier, improves watering efficiency, and helps protect your landscaping investment. Thanks for watching Homeowner Unlocked.